15 English mistakes that Japanese people often make. Perfect for beginners and kids. That English actually doesn't work. I will check in now. That is correct. Any other way? I am checking in. I am checking in. I have a reservation. That is correct. Any other way? I booked a room. I booked a room. My name is this. That is not right. What should I say? My name is Hayakawa. My name is Hayakawa. This is passport. That is not correct. How do you say it? This is my passport. This is my passport. How many nights do you stay? That is not right. What should I say? I will stay 2 nights. I will stay 2 nights. Is breakfast service? That is not correct. How do you say it? Is breakfast included? Is breakfast included? Do you have Wi-Fi? That is correct. Any other way? Is there Wi-Fi? Is there Wi-Fi? Tell me the password. That is too strong. What should I say? Please tell me the password. Please tell me the password. Where is my room? That is correct. Any other way? Where is room 305? Where is room 305? Give me a key. That is not right. What should I say? May I have the key? May I have the key? Where is elevator? That is not correct. How do you say it? Where is the elevator? Where is the elevator? I want to leave my baggage. That is not right. What should I say? Can I leave my bag? Can I leave my bag? What time checkout? That is not correct. How do you say it? What time is checkout? What time is checkout? Can I extend? That is not enough. What should I say? Can I extend my stay? Can I extend my stay? Thank you very much. That is correct. Any other way? I appreciate it. I appreciate it. Thank you for watching. We will upload new stories every day. Let's enjoy learning English together.